Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add pop-ups to your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, you're going to find all of these sites. So go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once you're here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen. You're going to find all of these sections, and here in the bottom, you're going to find design site. So right now, go ahead and click on design site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So this is basically going to be the Wix website editor. So just wait for the page to load. And once the page is loaded, this is how it will look like. Here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you customize and design your site. So right now, if you want to add a pop-up, there is multiple ways. The first one is by clicking on add element, and then you can go to embed code and click on embed HTML. And after that, you need to add the HTML code for the pop-up. And there is an easier way is by going to the Wix App Store or App Market, and then go to the search bar and search for pop-ups. Once you do that, hit enter, and then here you're going to find all of these results. Here you're going to find Pop-in, for example. Give it a click, and then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find smart pop-ups and forms. So just click on add site to add the application to your site. So as you can see, guys, I can't add the application to the site. You need to have a premium site, first of all, in order to be able to add these kind of applications to your site. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.